Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Hytale launcher freezing at 90% and crashing. So this is how I actually fixed it. All you want to do is press Windows plus R on your keyboard and this will open up the run dialog. Then here I want you to type in percentage app data percentage backslash Hytale backslash install backslash release backslash package backslash launcher. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and click here on OK, and this will open up your file explorer. And here in this folder, you should have the launcher. I want you to just go ahead and right click on that launcher, and I want you to run that as administrator. And when you do it from right here, it will not crash, and that usually fixes the issue. So that is how to fix Hytale launcher freezing at 90% and crashing. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and it helps me out as well.